What's up YouTube? Andre here, back with another great video. How to do affiliate marketing for free. How to do affiliate marketing and make passive income. I get these requests all the time. I get these type of questions. So that's why I said in this video, I'm going to show you how this is possible. Now you probably wonder, okay, passive income. Can I really make passive income with affiliate marketing? Yes, you can. Can I make passive income just by posting content on the internet? Yes, you can, but there's a certain way that you need to do it, because if this is not executed correctly, guess what? You're not going to be able to make the money that you're supposed to make. And most people, they start affiliate marketing, and after a while, they don't see any money coming in, and then they just give up. Now, the people who's going to stick through this video and watch it all the way to the end, going to see exactly how this is possible, how you can make affiliate marketing and do affiliate marketing for free and also make passive income at the same time. Now, when I say passive income, I don't expect you're going to make money the first month, the second month. Maybe you're going to make money in the first 6 months, but consistently over and over again, once that gets rolling, you're going to make some sweet money coming in. You can collect checks. There's money going to be in your account, and that's going to be wonderful. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Andre, and I just created a video about how to do affiliate marketing without a website, and you can make money online. So go check out this video right after this one, so that way you could see and you could do both of them and you can have some money rolling in. So let's jump into the video right now. How are we going to do this? How is this possible? How to do affiliate marketing for free and make money online. Now, we're going to go over to this particular platform, and it's called medium.com. So medium.com is like a blogging platform, and the reason for this particular platform is that you can write content. It's going to live on Google, it's going to live on Bing, and it's going to get into the search engine optimization, because it's going to go there way faster than if you should start off with a traditional blog, because a traditional blog, it takes a while before it gets things going. With Medium, they already have people, thousands, millions of people right now just go on here and they read consistently. So this particular website has completely a total different traffic source, and people just come on here just to binge, just to have a coffee, just to read the different topics that they have on here. So it is absolutely free. You could just go sign up. I already have an account, and the reason why I'm sharing you with this, because I looked at my stats, and my stats on this thing is blowing up. So it's Medium. People create a lot of different topics, and it's for writers. So if you're not a writer, just get used to writing. Step outside of your comfort zone. I never used to write, and I decided, okay, I'm going to try this. Maybe this is something that I could do, and I do enjoy it. I probably don't make writing as much as possible than when I just started, but if you remain consistent over time, I can tell you, you could crush this. So if you look right here, you see two things can make you money without a 9-to-5. This right here, disclaimer, this person just created this, and looking at the name, right? I don't know where this person from, but you can tell she has right now over 8.4K people following her. And she's been on Medium April of 2019. I'm shooting this video right now in 2020. By the time you watch this video, it's going to be later on in the year, but you could see this person been on here not even a year from shooting this video today, and they already have a lot of people on their blogging platform, on their Medium account. So just come here, and once you create an account, you can see all the different things. You can go into settings, you can go to profile, you can go to the help, you can go publication, Medium partner. So you can partner up with Medium, and they will pay you just to write. There's people on here making $5,000 a month just writing every single day, or even more, right? Even less. You can even make every single month $500, $200, but that's not what we're going to be doing. We're going to even make more money consistently, and we also are going to make money from their program as well. So if you want to start a story, you could go on here. You can look at mine, and you can see the different stories that I've created. I've created some stories already, about one about Craigslist, what about clicking on make 50 cents to click. One is earning $100 copy and pasting on ClickBank. So if I open this right now, and you could see, how I put it together. So it's really simple, and I'm going to share with you how you could do that, how this is going to be even possible for you as well. I just want to give you a little heads up. So for you to create a story, just click on here and you click on where it says new story, right? So for example, I wanted to create how to, so I'm going to do with the headline. I'm going to go with how to do affiliate marketing without a website. So that's what I do. I type it first and then I go correct it later because I know exactly what it is. How to do affiliate marketing without a website and let's say make money online. Alright, or you could do make passive income. Alright, make money online, make passive income. So we can make this bigger, right? See? So I highlighted it. This is going to be the title. I can make it like this size. I can make it like that. Pretty cool. I can make it bold or I can make it big, right? So that's the title. Now, once the title is there, now you're going to start sharing your story. You're going to start writing. So you always want to start off, how do you come up with great ideas? How do you come up with headline? Now, if you have no clue how to come up with headline, you can go over to this particular website. It's called Ask the Public. Answer the Public. Sorry. So answerthepublic.com. You can come on here and you can find tons and tons of different headlines. So what if I want to do how to do affiliate marketing? And I type this in. Now for this, you have searches and you have about 4 to 5 searches for the day. So make sure you think about it. Otherwise, you're going to have to pay for it. Simple. Now it's getting some data, whichever way you want to call it. And it's kind of do that. So while it does that, I'm going to head back over. Okay, it just cleared up. So here are some of the things. These are headlines that you can write about. How to do affiliate marketing on Instagram. How to do affiliate marketing without a website. How to do affiliate marketing on Amazon. How to do affiliate marketing on YouTube. These are different headlines. So you can see the headlines, the headlines on here. How to do affiliate marketing on your blog. How to do affiliate marketing on blog. How to do affiliate marketing on Amazon. These are different headlines that you can use, you can find, and you can write. So that's all it is. You're going to consistently write over and over again. So when I do this, I normally just go ahead, how to do affiliate marketing without a website and make money online. And I will say, this is something anyone can do worldwide. The reason I chose affiliate marketing is because I can sell products for companies and they will pay me a commission. For example, Amazon.com is one of the biggest platforms that you can do affiliate marketing and make commissions. However, the compensation plan is not the greatest as they recently just cut. So I'll just type it out, I'll read it, reread it again, see if it's something that I'll do, and then I'll just go back and check it. So a few things. You can put your Amazon affiliate link in here. So if you highlight it, you can click on this and you could paste your affiliate link from your Amazon. So if the reader clicked on it, guess what? You're going to get compensated. If you want to add pictures to this, there's a particular website that you can go. It's called pexels.com, and you can type in marketing, digital marketing, and you will see a bunch of different pictures. For example, these pictures. Now, I would take this picture, I would download it. So I will download this picture, take this picture here, head back over here. So to add a picture, you could just click on here. You can click on this where it says add a picture, and you could get that picture from what I just downloaded, right? So you see that? Look at that. Pretty cool, pretty neat. So not only affiliate marketing, you could do this. You could sell stuff on Amazon. You can write stuff about Amazon. You can write stuff about health, beauty. It doesn't matter what it is that you can do, but you get the idea. Just keep writing, add pictures, add images so people can read. And you always want to leave space between it. You don't want to clump your words together. So you see 1, 2, 3, I put a space. 1, 2, 3, I put a space, I put a picture. When you go down here, 1, 2, 3 or 4, 3 to 4, and then I go to the next line, 3 or 4, because when someone is reading, they don't want to have something like this. For example, see? Like this is not bad, but you want to give a little space, man. Give a little space for the reader so they can breathe. And once you're done, all you have to do is just click on here and just publish it. And if you do one every single day and you get different products from ClickBank, you get products from Amazon, you get products from different affiliate accounts, then as I told you before, you just highlight it and then you just add your affiliate link. So when the readers are going through, guess what? They're going to click on your link. You can even add a link in here as well. So you click on it and people are just going to love it, and that's all you got to do. So didn't want to make this video too long. That's how you do affiliate marketing for free and you can make passive income, because people are going to buy stuff over and over again. Once you keep getting good at writing and you put it out there, people are going to love you. So make sure you check out my next video. As I told you before, make sure you go see this one, how to do affiliate marketing without a website and make money online. Go check it out. I'm going to leave it in one of these cards or at the end screen, so make sure you click on it. Check out my #1 recommendation of making money online and affiliate marketing. If you want to learn how to crush it at affiliate marketing, go see and go check out the link in the description. I'll catch you on the next video. I appreciate you. One love and be blessed.